Algebra word problems number 5, evaluating, solving. Solve. Okay, our word problem strategy is to read the problem, underline or circle what is important, make a plan to solve the problem, figure out which operation we're going to use, add, subtract, multiply, or divide, and how we'll use the information. We need to turn unknown amounts into variables and make a table or a diagram if it's too confusing. That'll help us. We need to write the expression or the equation. We need to find the solution or simplify the expression, then check to see if it's correct by plugging in our answer. All right? So remember, this guy is a numerical coefficient. That's the number in front of a variable, and that's the variable. He takes the place of an unknown number. When we simplify an algebraic expression, we condense it and write it in its simplest form. When we evaluate, we find the value of a numerical or algebraic expression. When we solve, we find an answer or solution. We're going to substitute numbers for the variables and find a value after the expression is simplified. So we're going to evaluate and solve these word problems. If x equals 2 and y equals 4, then we'd know that x plus y equals 6. We need to remember to use the order of operations and use the rules for positive and negative numbers. All right, take a look at this. If x equals $1.40, y equals $4.90, and z equals $2.27, evaluate the expression x plus y plus z. Well, we just need to plug the numbers in to the variable and add them up. So x is $1.40, y is $4.90, and z is $2.27, and we just add them. We get 7. 4, 9, and 2 is 15. We carry the 1 and put the 5 down. And 1, 4, 1, and 2 is 8. So we have $8.57, and that's what x plus y plus z equals. See? 4 tickets to a concert cost T. Write an expression and solve for 6 tickets if T equals $160. So we think 4 costs 160, so we need to find the cost of 1. So we need to divide the 160 by 4, or the t by 4. Then we need to multiply the cost of 1 by 6. So we have t over 4, 6 times t over 4. We plug the 160 in as t, so now we've got 160 over 4. We need to multiply that by 6. We do what's in the parentheses first. 160 divided by 4 is 40. 40 times 4 is 160. Now we have 6 times 40, and that's $240. See? So we know, let me put my little dollar sign because you gotta label your stuff correctly, right? So we know that the cost of 6 tickets would be $240. An orange costs twice as much as a lime. If a lime costs F cents, write an expression and solve for the cost of 5 oranges if F equals 27. So that would be 27 cents, okay? So we think a lime costs F, an orange costs twice as much, so each orange is 2F. If there's 5 oranges, it would be 5 times 2F. Does that make sense? Each lime is F, an orange is 2 Fs, see? Because it's twice as much as a lime, so it's 2F. So if you have 5 oranges, we have 5 times 2F. We plug in the 27 cents for F, and we solve it. So we had 5 times 2F. Well, 2 times 27 is 54. Now we need to multiply it by the 5 oranges. 5 times 54 cents is $2.70. We count the 2 hops over and put that into our product. So we know 5 oranges cost $2.70. See? Emma mowed 2 medium-sized lawns for $10 each and charged each large lawn for twice what she charged for the medium lawn. If she mowed 3 large lawns, write an equation and solve for how much she earned. So we think she charged $10 for each medium lawn. She charged twice that for each large lawn. So each large lawn is 10 times 2, isn't it? Because she charged twice what they charged for the medium. She did 2 mediums, so that's 10 times 2, okay? But then she did 3 large. That's 3 10 times 2. So now our equation is going to be 10 times 2 plus 3 10 times 2. That's the 2 medium ones and the 3 large ones. 10 times 2 is 20, and we've got 3 10 times 2. Well, 10 times 2 is 20. Now we have 3 times 20, that's 60. We add the 20 and 60, and we know Emma earned $80. See? So now we're actually plugging real numbers into our variables, and we're actually solving them, okay? Keep following me and keep up the good work, and I'll see you next video. Bye.